It's a good feeling for us. This is our goal all year, and we just got one more game to go, and then we've reached it. It feels great because this is first time as the group that we've been with. It's the first time we made it through the first round, and to win the second game is real big. And then we're just off to the provincial final. Everyone's just excited.
I'm super proud of our guys, the way they played tonight. Especially, like I said, there's 25 grade 12s on our roster, and those guys, they've been busting their tails for a long time. Grade 10 was a tough year for them, and last year we kind of ended on a sour note right over there. But today I think it's a bit of a, just it really helps these guys. Just their psyche and everything they're doing it's just huge.
There's no one-man job. It's the whole team's doing that. Like, you got to give every guy on the line credit. Like, everyone's doing a good job there. So everyone really pulled their weight and was smashing heads in on that.
It feels good to win. It feels good. Like, we've been getting it taken to us a lot, but it feels good to take it to the other teams in the Saskatoon Football League.
The defense played absolutely awesome. If we had a bad drive, they came back and they stuffed them so we get the ball back and do our thing. And no, I have no complaints with the defense. They played great tonight.
Yeah, our defense tonight, they were awesome. I mean, Tommy Douglas has a very, very well-coached offense. But I think that we clued into some of their schemes, and we had some pretty good adjustments on defense. And our defense tonight, especially in the second half, they took the ball away from them numerous times, which just allowed us to get back on the field, kept the clock moving, and really happy with the defense today.